Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a little while since I've posted a video. Just wanted to give you a little update on the current project I'm working on and also do a real quick tool review. So this is the master bedroom. And originally we had two closets here. There was a small one right here and then a larger closet. So basically we've opened this all up. We're gonna have the bed located here underneath these two windows that were in the closets. So we're working on that. It's been taking a lot of work to just demo all this whole plaster. It's got metal lath, so all that has to be cut with like a diamond blade. So, and then this over here, I cut in this doorway and reused one of the doors that were in here from the closet. This is eventually going to be opened up into the 5th bedroom, and then it's all going to be one big bathroom in there. We'll have a toilet over here, and then to the right we'll have a washer and dryer. So that's kind of where we're at. There's a lot of old knob and tube wiring up in the attic, which I've had to expose and trace down and figure out what the circuits were and get them all cut back. So just wanted to also talk real quick about a few of the new Milwaukee, and take back the new Dewalt tools that I have here. And I think the thing I'm having, I can't make up my mind. It seems like I like both brands. It seems like they're both are good. And I finally figured out what I like better about DeWalt, and it's the grip. It's somehow the grip on the DeWalts just seem to fit my hand better and feel better. And that seems to be the main reason I keep buying them. Also, I'm really impressed with this circular saw. This, when I demoed the closets, I saved a lot of the old studs, and I believe this is all 100-year-old Douglas fir, all tight grain, you know, good hard stuff. So I thought that the saw would struggle cutting that, and just do a quick demo. It just seemed like it rips through it like butter. The other thing that I really like about this saw, which I didn't really notice when I first got it, it's got markings here. So this 0 is right where the blade is, and then there's like 1 inch, 1.5 inches, 2. So if you're just doing like a quick rip and need, you know, rough measurements, this works really well for that. So super impressed with this saw. It seems to have good battery life. It's not heavy, great power. So really happy with that. So I keep getting more and more spoiled on the cordless tools. So I have a Dewalt Sawzall that I've used for years, and it's really heavy duty and strong. But working up here, just getting tired of lugging cords around. So this was on sale at Home Depot a couple weeks ago. So I picked this up thinking that, you know, it's not going to be near as powerful as the corded one. And this thing really surprised me. It's just, it's got a ton of power. It's not that heavy, less bulky than the other ones, so super impressed with this. The third DeWalt tool that is new is this angle grinder. I really haven't used it much, just used it maybe once so far, and it also seemed to have a ton of power. The grip though is slightly fatter than the other ones, and maybe this has to be due to like the way they have the wiring or battery connections in there, but I was a little surprised it didn't have the grip that I really like about DeWalt over Milwaukee. So that's it, guys. I'll keep you up to date as we progress.